Yesterday, all those memories seem so far away. I thought that you was here to stay. Oh, what a chord, what a day. What an age, what an age, what shall I do? Well, I am not old, so I told, but is that true? Yesterday, honestly, all I can do is pray that feeling slowly goes away, that life was better yesterday. Did I reach enough? It is tough to draw a line. Should I start to blame, feel some shame, or just feel fine? Oh, come on. Please don't cry me off, I know I've let it on. I'm still number one, I will have fun and do those things I have never done. Reasons near the end, but I tend to think I'm fine. I'll reach every week and you peak, the future's mine.
Oh, thank you very much. Thank you.
You see, we're more high tech. Oh! Do we have something for Stavroula?
Yes.
No, we forgot the gift.
Oh,
Wait, this is very, very high tech.
Slowly, slowly. It's
No, I don't.
it shouldn't explode.
oh my God! What do you want me now? Do you want to change my old telephone? Oh, shame on you.
No, just dance, baby.
That's a technological leap, right?
Okay. Is it very, very high tech?
No, it's just tailor-made for you.
Actually, your telephone, anything is very, very high tech.
Especially for me.
Okay.
Only 2 buttons.
For you? Oh, this is really nice. Okay. Okay. Oh my God.
With resignation.
Stavroula, can you go there, please?
Yes, sorry, I can go.
It may happen
Akil,
that we have
please.
some accidents here.
Yeah, let's have some music.
Now I have to. Okay. Oh, it's nice. I like the color. Yeah, it's very nice. Okay, what I'm doing now.
Call Jean.
Call me back.
Ah, thank you.